Hey guys, so today is going to be a February 2018 Ipsy unboxing. So if you want to see what's in my bag this month, then just keep on watching. Hey guys, so today I'm just going to be showing you my February Ipsy bag. We're just going to do an unboxing today. So this is what this month's looks like. It's got like a lace kind of look and like this peach color. It's really nice. I like this month's. So then inside, this month, got a few things. So the first thing I got was this Luxie brush. It's the Luxie 249. It's a dual-ended. We'll take that out of the package. This end's nice and fluffy, and then there's more of a tapered end right here. It's really nice. I'll have to try that out in one of my next videos. And then I got a little foiled eyeshadow from Beauty Basics. It's sweet taffy color. It's like a nice peach kind of color. I'll definitely be using that in a tutorial. And then I got a dual-ended mascara as well. This side's a curling one, and then Extreme Luminous Extender on the other side. It's by Pink Pewter Collection. Let's check out. Looks like that. You know what, we'll actually try this. We'll try the Extreme Luminous Extender on this side. See how it works out. I like that, it's not clumpy or anything. And then I'll try the curling one on the other eye. I like these kind of brushes that look like that. Oh, it's nice. I'm still really into the new Bad Gal Bang one though. That one's like really good. It's made my lashes really long. So next thing I got was a moisture retaining day lotion. That's good because I have really dry skin, so I'll have to be trying that. And then a mini eye pencil in Swiss chocolate. Let's see, huh? I wonder if it has like... Okay. So that's kind of cool. It looks like this part would be the liner, but it's not. You actually have to like open it up and twist it. So let's see. Oh wow, that's like a nice dark chocolate color. That'll be good for the waterline. But anyways, it's by Trestique. So yeah, that's pretty much everything that's in my Ipsy bag. And then they always come with one of these little cards. It has like some little thing. But yeah, I like this month. I got some pretty good products, and this is what the bag looks like again. Yeah, so stay tuned, guys, for a tutorial on this eye look. I'll be posting it tomorrow.